The following portion of Daytime Blue Ridge is sponsored by
When it comes to insurance, there's a lot of information that's thrown at you. Luckily, we have an in the insurance business who will answer all of our questions. Bill Meador Insurance Agency is a multi-line independent insurance agency specializing in both personal and business insurance right here in Roanoke. And Bill is joining us today. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you for having me.
So these days, it seems like we can buy anything we want online, even insurance. So, I mean, what are your feelings on that?
Well, you're exactly right. I mean, in this day and age, you can go online and pretty much purchase anything you want. And I do a lot of online shopping myself. But when it comes to your own personal auto insurance, homeowners insurance, I strongly suggest dealing with the local agent. And the reason I say that is your average consumer might not be well versed enough or might not fully understand the ins and outs of an auto insurance policy as far as coverages, liability limits, deductibles, that sort of thing. And you know, in these days, you can't turn on your television or turn on your radio without hearing a different insurance company advertising how to save money. And, you know, when you go online and you're presented with a lot of different options to choose from, naturally, most people might tend to choose a lower limit of liability just to get the price down as low as they can, which in all actuality could put them in serious jeopardy when it comes to a claim situation.
Now, what are some things that you think home buyers should be aware of when they're looking to buy insurance?
So I work with a lot of first-time home buyers, and the number one thing I always tell them is, you know, what you pay for your house isn't necessarily the amount of coverage you're going to need to insure it. You know, when it comes to, you know, a total loss situation. So you can buy a $100,000 house that, you know, might be 3,000 square feet, and it might cost $200,000 to be able to rebuild that. So I really take the time with my clients to really break everything down in layman's terms to really make sure that they understand what they're covered for when it comes to the structure of their house, all of their personal property coverages, detached structures, liability, that sort of thing.
Okay, so it's not really necessarily black and white. Each individual person might be a little bit different. So are there any things that are not covered under your basic home insurance? Yes.
Really, there's three things that I get asked a lot. And number one is going to be flooding. Number two, earthquake. Number three, water backup coverages. And, you know, a lot of times people don't realize, I think a month or two ago, we had those heavy rains that lasted for about 10 days. And they had a lot of water that ended up in their basement. And, you know, that's typically not going to be covered under your homeowner's insurance policy. You have to have a separate flood insurance policy if you want something like that covered. So they exclude what they call water seepage. Earthquakes.
We gotta wrap up pretty soon, but if somebody wants to find out more information about you, actually talk to you about what their individual needs are, your phone number is 904-7833, and we'll have a link to it on our website.
That's exactly right. Thank you.